morning, guys. Just getting up here. Oh man, yesterday was a crazy night. Stood up late last night, editing some videos. Make sure you guys go check those out. I got another video right there loading up. But I'm gonna get out here, show you guys a little morning view of what it looks like. It sounds a little chilly this morning. And yeah, we're about to get our day started by driving to Wyoming. We got 5 hours. We just took a little break here yesterday at this nice little beautiful campsite here. Let me get my sandals up here. Left them up here last night when I was editing. But let's get these things on. Let's go check out this morning view real quick. Show you guys what it looks like. Again, if you haven't seen it yesterday, that's what it looks like this morning. There's less campers out here. Everybody got up early last night. Well, early this morning, and I took off, but that's what it looks like. Just waking up here. Whew, and it's chilly. And I'm out here with my boxers and my t-shirt on. About to get dressed up. Continue on with our day. You guys can hear that wind. It's very windy out here this morning, but nice and sunny. We're about to get started. Had to put this right here on our tires last night. Got a little scary. Thought we was gonna be rolling down this hill here. But show you guys this view right here. Let's start wrapping this thing up. Start getting our things organized, get dressed, and get started with our day. Time to get up. Whew, man. Go back here, wash my teeth, get freshened up real quick before we continue on with our little journey going to Wyoming. So let's get ourselves freshened up. So hey guys, we all freshened up now. We're about to get back to the roads, continue on with this ride in Wyoming. Here we come. So you ready? And this campsite was a beautiful little campsite last night, nice and peaceful, beautiful views. And now it's time to enjoy the views on the highway.
Although I do want to stay here too.
Yeah, but
we gotta keep it moving.
We gotta keep it moving because there's a lot more spots we're gonna check out. So stay tuned for all those because we back on the road. And let's continue on. Just driving out. Say bye-bye to the beautiful views out the side. Dog eating it out of the trash. They got their dog out here being hungry. Somebody gotta go feed their dog. Just pull up right here to number 5 and gas up. And then real quick, go fill her up. I mean, the navigator all filled up. I don't know if you guys can see that there, but she's filled up to the T-top. And now we're back on Route I-90 West. So let's go, let's continue to go on the highway. And just right here to the left of me, we back onto the highway, guys. more ice, so actually I'm going over here to get some ice for the cooler so we can empty all the water that's in there now and switch it up to some new fresh ice so everything can stay nice and cool. But just up front of me is a Love gas station here, a little Love travel center, and the entrance is up here, right where that trucker came out of. Turning right ahead to the automotive side. Booyah! Just gonna park right here, right in front of the ice box. Just gotta run inside, go pay for the ice. So guys, we're getting back onto Route 90 West. We just got some ice and some snacks, and then we're back on the road.
Turn left onto North Ellsworth Road.
Just gotta turn up here to get back onto Route 90 West.
I'm staring at my shadow. Am I gonna be safe in getting through tomorrow? When I throw me down, you could lead me to the side. You still raising me up, but when I look aside, she guides me with the sun and light of me. It ain't over, it ain't over. It ain't over, it ain't over. I'm not done, I just want me to find it. Cause I'm not done, I just want me to find it. I'm not done, I just want me to find it. Cause I'm not done, I just want me to find it. On. Someone told me that I could find it. I will find my way. Gotta keep looking. If it's not fair, gotta go again. Wish to get over it. Cause when I look aside, she's always by my side. She guides me with the sun and light of me. It ain't over, it ain't over. It ain't over, it ain't over. I'm not done, I just want me to find it. Cause I'm not done, I just want me to find it. I'm not done, I just want me to find it.
Guys, we just made it here to our campsite. We're right here in Bighorns National Forest here. And we're gonna be camping here for the night. It's a nice little cool spot. We actually got like a little creek down here on the side. It's a nice little chilling spot. Beautiful views all around us here. And look what's coming in, another little camper van there. I love these type of vans, man. The old school vans, they definitely hold up for their age. There goes the other camper passing by. That's a Dodge version right there, but let's go out here, let's go check it out, see what this area looks like. And then go back inside this van, inside the shade, and go do some editing. Just switched over to some shorts before we go over here and check this water out, just in case we get our feet wet. So let's walk over here. It's a little stream over here right next to us. So just walking right here on the path. You can see the navigator right there on the side of us. Right underneath that nice little structure with the stones right there. I know there's another spot over here. I think this spot's cooler. We might even...
No, ours is better because you actually have to...
Yeah, it's in a ducky. Yeah, you're right. It's in a ducky more. But we're gonna go over here and go underneath right here. There's supposed to be like a bridge over here. We're gonna see where this takes us to. And it actually leads to somebody's property over here. You see something? Just walking down, following this little path here. There's like a little bridge that crosses over to somebody's property on the other side here. You can actually see somebody camping over there. I'm just gonna go right here on top of this bridge, get a nice little look at it from here, show you guys what it looks like. And dang, this thing is nice. It looks kind of deep too. It's just a lot of rocks though. Look like an ankle twister. But dang, look at this view. What is that? People all the way up there on the top? But that's a tree. I think that's a tree. But look at this, guys. Looking down. Ooh, this is so beautiful. I just want to go down there and wet my feet. But it's a little difficult to get down to the bottom in this section here. Unless I go down there, but it's a little risky. Might just slip down there. But let's see what's on this side. Just walking over here, guys. But I think somebody's actually staying over here. Not too sure, but just take a look over here. Yeah, you can see like a little cabin over there in the RV in the corner there. So we're actually gonna turn back over here. It's probably somebody's property over in this section. Because when we was coming in here, there was a few houses on the side here also. So this probably is like a little cabin house. But I'm gonna go back up to that road that we came in, and I'm kind of like walking down. There's like some bathrooms over there. I'm gonna check it to see if they got like some like water sources. We could fill up our little tank or something. So we're gonna walk over there instead of driving over there. And probably over there, we could probably get closer to the water somewhere over there. Because I did see some spots that go a little bit lower down on that section. So let's go check that out. Just passing Navigator. Navigator's just parked all the way over there. This is the other campsite I was talking about. This one actually got like a little fire pit thing over there too. But I think the one we at is a little bit better. Cause like Wifey was saying, you got to kind of reverse into the one we in. Just coming up here, you can see another camper up here. They also got their motorcycle put it in the back of their little van. And he,
Nice spot.
yeah, that's a nice. He got a nice little spot right there. And he close to the water there. Let's walk down a little bit further down. So I guess it's the little path right here that the guy took to get down to where the little campsite he was at. It's like a little split off here. And some other campers up here also camping. Just gonna walk up here, and just up here there was some bathrooms and stuff. So just coming up here, some restrooms and stuff. I'm gonna check if they open. And there's another camper that's over here in the corner also with an RV. But we're gonna see these bathrooms open. And like they said, there's some bears and stuff here. You see the sign? Let's walk to that sign and see what kind of animals around this area. Look at this little section here. There's another little spot. So you parking inside there. And they got a little fire pit there too. Let's go over here and see what kind of animals and stuff they have here. Coming up to the sign, guys. Whoo! Looking scary. Some mountain lions and black bears in the area. So we got to be careful with our surroundings tonight. We got to be careful how we put our food out and stuff like that. But here goes the restrooms here. I'm gonna go loosen myself up in the bathrooms, and continue back walking to where the navigator's at. Whew, guys, that bathroom is stinking. But I loosened myself up. Had to go pee super bad. But we're just gonna walk a little bit more before we continue on going back to where the camper van is at. I can actually hear some water a little close right here, so let's see if we can get a little closer down here somewhere. So guys, I see like a little path right here. We might go down from here, I'm not too sure. Hopefully, guys, this ain't no poison ivy, but we're gonna step foot in. I almost slipped there.
Are you itching?
No, I'm not itching, but it feels cold once you get close here. Ugh. Whoa, almost lost my balance. But damn, this floor is super clear. Look at this. You can see all the rocks right underneath it. Guys, I just stepped foot in there, and this thing is freezing. Oh, and all these rocks got my foot all twisting.
It is freezing now.
But damn, this is a good experience right here. We're gonna walk up to the middle there. It gets a little bit lighter. The floor. Ugh. This current's a little strong here. My sandals is like feel like it's pushing away. Oh my goodness, guys, this is so crazy. I twisted my ankle there. We're gonna walk up. Hope my sandals don't fall off because they just gonna be going straight down. Oh, look, there's a bridge over there. A walking bridge. Damn, my foot's so numb right now from the coldness. It kind of feels good though. It kind of feels like a little relaxing to my ankles. Whew. I needed that. Just gonna stand right here and just show you guys this view all around here from the middle of this water. And damn, this is so beautiful, man. I should have brought my fishing rod. Do a couple little tosses out here and see what I catch. We just walking back now. Oh, almost fell right in there. It's so hard to see the damn rocks. Well, you can see right down to the ground, but you don't know how deep it is until you step your foot in there. It's so damn clear. Oh, I'm gonna stick you down with me. Oh, we both was about to go down. If I go down, she going down with me. Just gonna get myself out of here. Oh my goodness, this thing is crazy. Whew. I'm out of there. And my toes are frozen. Wait till you get out of there. Watch how cold it's gonna be. Let's get back up here on this path. Jump over this bush here. Whew. Man. I'm gonna jump over the bush. I don't know what that is. So we back here on the path. And we're gonna go check out that bridge we was looking at just down here before we turn back around. Just start heading back. We'll be the other side over here. Let's go check this bridge out. You can actually see like another little cabin right here to the left of me. I'm not too sure they rent this out or somebody lives here. It could be somebody's house though, because it got all their belongings and stuff. That's a nice little peaceful little area there. So guys just got up to this bridge here. It's actually somebody's property. And damn, this is a crazy entrance to get into your house right here. Look at this. You can't even see the house. Where the house at? It says no trespassing though right there, and it actually opens and closes the gate. So we're not even gonna try and go over that gate and get shut in there, locked in there. But I guess from here on it's gonna be all like private properties and stuff, because it kind of looks like houses and stuff if you keep walking it. This is where we kind of came from over here, so there was houses and stuff. So all that gonna be private property, I'm assuming. So we're just gonna go back over here, back to our little camp area. Go to the navigator right there on the side. Just walking over here, getting into the path so we can get into the navigator. There's a car coming, so we gotta pull over here to the side. And now we're gonna turn up here, and the navigator's just over there in that corner. So we made it here to the navigator, guys. We're just gonna fall back for the night, just relax, do some editing, get some new videos up for y'all guys. But I hope you guys enjoyed this day. We definitely had a good time driving here to Wyoming, and we're only 30 minutes away from our location that we're gonna be hiking at tomorrow. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that and don't miss out. But today we're gonna relax and call it a night for the night. So see you guys tomorrow once we wake up. So peace, guys, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.